All right, today I have a Samsung dryer and I'm going to show you how to turn off the child lock as well as turn on the child lock on the Samsung dryer. So let's get started, okay? So the child lock is currently on, okay? So you have the child lock on, which is good because you don't want it to be tampered with. So it's on right now. Now, before we get started, there's one important thing that you should know. The sound, okay? Sometimes it's hard to tell if the child lock is on or off, if the sound light is on. So if this is on right here, you can't see it right now, but when it's on, you cannot hear any sound, which makes it difficult to know if the child lock is on or off. So if this is on, if you see the light right here is on, that means the sound is off and you won't hear anything, and so you'll have trouble. So it's currently, you can hear sound. This light is off right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here and you see where it says child lock right here. The child lock is currently on. I'm gonna turn the child lock off. And so what I'm gonna do is, you see where it says child lock right here, I'm gonna go where it says temp and time, and I'm gonna hold this down until I hear that beeping noise. And now the child lock is currently off and I can go ahead and use the Samsung dryer. All right. Now to turn it back on, all I have to do is come back here and do the exact same thing. Hold it down for a few seconds and the child lock is currently on and I cannot move. Now I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to show you what I talked about with the sound. Okay. So this sound button right here, I'm going to go ahead and press this. All right, so now the sound is on right here. The sound is actually off. So when the light is lit up, the sound is off and you won't hear that beeping noise at all with this dryer. Now, with that being said, you can see the child lock is currently off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the child lock back on. And you won't be able to hear a noise. And look, the child lock is on, you won't be able to hear a noise, which makes it confusing because you don't know whether or not if you turn it off or on, right? So, but it's actually on right now and you cannot use any feature. And so, and to turn it off, all you have to do is go back here, hold it, and it is off, but you don't know unless you come over here and check and see if you can turn the knob and this light turns, okay? So that's a feature that you should know. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.